Becoming a web developer is like picking up the brush to paint the web's canvas. Here's a roadmap that'll help you get started. Front end is what users interact with: layout, design, and user interface. Back end deals with the server and database. Front end uses HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Back end utilizes languages like Python, Ruby, or PHP. HTML forms the skeleton of your web page. CSS adds style, while JavaScript introduces interactivity. Use this HTML code to create your first web page. Add styles with CSS and interactivity using JavaScript. Dive deeper with frameworks like React, and make sure your designs are responsive using Bootstrap. For back-end development, start with server-side languages: Python, Ruby, Node.js. Understand databases like MySQL. Combine both front-end and back-end skills to become a full-stack developer. Explore stacks like Mern and Mean. Create personal projects and contribute to open source to practice your skills. Engagement with the community is key. Continuous learning is essential in the tech world. Stay updated with trends and join web development communities.